Today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Let's get into it. Hey, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I do all things hair, makeup, beauty. You know, it's very important to have these styling products to be good, to be on top tier with your hair, but also the styling tools make the hairstyle as well. So today's video is going to be mainly focusing on the styling tools that I received from Firstline Brands, which you may know in stores as Evolve. They sent me this Triple Pro Styler Edge brush. It's a 3-in-1 brush which has the bristle side, the comb, and then it has an edge brush as well. Also sent me a wide Flow-Thru detangler. I've never used this and I'm excited to use it. I needed a new detangler. It also sent the Triple Pro Styler comb that has a smaller comb, big comb, and one that you can use to pick. And then they also sent me 2 of the Evolve bonnets, and your girl loves a good bonnet, okay? And this one is a lace satin wide edge bonnet. So it has like a little lace design on the outside. And as soon as I get in the house, I'm putting on my bonnet. I don't care. And then also they sent me the Evolve Silky Wrap Scarf. And I love this pattern. They must know me or something because they know I love some animal print. But this scarf right here, you can use for putting your hair up for your night routine, or laying down those edges. For the styling products, I'm going to be using the Camille Rose, the Curl Maker. And then I'm going to be also using the Camille Rose, the Almond J Twisting Butter. I parted the front with the Triple Pro Styler Comb. These 2 parts. I'm going to put the back up so that we can start on the braids. This is what I have so far. And then I'm going to go in with the detangler. The 3-in-1 brush to smooth out the product. And then I just do these steps until I'm finished. I'm just gonna finish this piece. I've already done this side and the front. This is what the front looks like. And using the Camille Rose, the Curl Maker. I love the consistency. I'm probably gonna use it on this one too. Ends tend to be straighter in the front. I usually use some perm rods to curl the hair, or curl the ends. I'm gonna take the back. This is the back. I'm gonna take the back and I'm going to plait it. Not in too many small plaits. I am gonna detangle it. I'm going to detangle it. I've already been detangling, so. And use the brush and the comb and use the curl maker to get some plaits and some water. So I'm gonna start off at the bottom of my hair, and these are just gonna be free parts. So I'm gonna take this, wet it, brush. Okay. I'm gonna be putting her hair everywhere. I'm gonna be putting the Almond J butter on. Use the brush. braids in. And now we let it dry. I use my detachable blow dryer or hooded dryer thing. So I just put this on my head. Squeeze it in. Basically, you put this on. You want to keep it on for about an hour while I watch Shadow Hunters. Did my makeup and I have let my hair sit for an hour under the blow dryer. Let's see what it looks like when I unravel. I wanted to do like a fall look for this, or a fall lip. So let me know what you think. So let's see what it looks like when I take it out. Like the curl maker actually gave it some hold, but it's not too hard. This is what it looks like so far. I'm going to finish taking these out. I took out this side, and I think I just gotta fluff and take out this last one. Now I didn't separate too much since it's day one hair, but you can separate as much as you want. Separate a whole lot. Okay, so now on to the edges. I already started. I used the edge brush on the 3-in-1 brush. I already started on this side and it looks so good. I am using, of course, the Fenty hair, the edge control gel. As you see, I've been using it. So I'm going to style on this side now. And I like that this brush isn't too hard on my edges. And then, so they look like this. And I use a scarf for when I want to lay my edges. And then once my edges are laid, I just take it off. The 3-in-1 comb just to pick it. My nighttime routine is to take this bonnet. This is a new one that they gave me. I love a good fresh bonnet. Put your hair in here. For the night, I'm not putting it all in there, but yes, you're gonna put it in here. It's like a beret. And yeah, that's how it's gonna be. Let me know what you think of this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and let me know what you would like to see next from my channel. You see this hair? It looks really good.